All right, what are we doing here?
Looking at some prints that I had made, seeing if we like the quality. This is from which place?
These ones are from MPix. It's a website online.
And then we have Finer Works ones coming.
We have Finer Works ones coming. We will compare them, but
Let's see.
here's the initial reaction to the
Well,
MPix.
MPix. I expected they'd be in a roll, but I guess, did we not order exact size? Do you remember?
I can't remember.
I don't
if
even remember
they're-
which paintings we ordered for test.
It's gonna be like Christmas
It's gonna be
morning.
the barn. Is it just the one?
There's two:
The seascape,
the Seascape and the
Shipwreck
Snowy
Beach.
Barn.
Snowy Barn. And let's see. Should have grabbed my knife.
It's just building
Building
suspense.
anticipation. Pause for dramatic effect. Okay. Oh, that looks pretty good. I like that. What do you think?
I like that. Let me
Yeah.
see it a little
It
more.
has a different.
It's kind of shiny.
It has like a photo quality to it.
It looks like a picture,
Yeah, it's like a photo,
like a.
I don't know what the back.
So it did have an option for like a layer that they could put over it, and now I'm not remembering what it's called, but to make it look like it was.
Well, then they put tape on the actual thing.
That's weird.
Like there's tape on,
Okay, well, show the camera.
and like
Apparently the cats like the packaging.
the tape is obviously a type that will not. Yeah, it's okay. So it's
I'm gonna
literally a
sneeze.
photo.
I'm gonna sneeze.
It's
Excuse me.
it's not what I thought it was as far as the type of paper. It's not like a
But we picked.
like it's an actual photo. You know what I mean?
But we pick the like archival paper?
Pretty sure we picked archival paper, right? What did you put for a finish on it or whatever?
I didn't pick a
Like
finish.
it looks, you know, it's got the
Yeah.
numbers and all the lettering like a it says Kodak Professional.
Yeah.
Kodak moment.
Okay, well let's
The
look at
colors
the
look
color.
pretty good.
What do you think? Do you like it? Like I could order it with like a
I mean, I think
there's an option for like this like finish they do on top that makes it look like it was
Oh jeez.
printed on canvas. It just looked a little cheesy to me online, but maybe
This is
it's
something
needed.
you'd put behind glass, which with a paper print, you probably would put that behind glass too. Oh, that looks pretty good.
It's
so
showing
weird.
up really good on camera.
Yeah, the colors are really close.
I think that these are the best prints from like just.
They're the best color I've ever had printed, I think.
I think so too, and
But
it
it's-
was like the most easiest.
But I wish they were like a different kind of paper.
Well, I think that we have to refine on our end. That was our bad, not their bad.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I think they're
These prints are about half the price of the next ones we have coming.
there's that one. And then this was they put tape on the actual photo, which I thought was weird. But color wise they're really close.
We can't see.
Can't see the prints.
Yeah, those look really good.
Yeah, I think this one ended up a little dark in here. That's a little dark. This is pretty close. The only thing is though, is like all I did this with. Are you still recording me?
Yeah.
All I did this was with that phone.
An iPhone picture.
It's just an iPhone photo, which, as far as I can tell from what I've read up on, the DPI or whatever, what is DPI? Not decimals. Decibels? No. The pixels?
I have no idea. All I'm thinking of is inappropriate things.
DPI. I think you need to have like 300 DPI or better for a high quality like art print. I'm pretty sure that the new that iPhone 13 I have has like 400 plus DPI, like plenty of pixels
Yeah.
per inch. Or I mean, that's clearer than some prints I've had made with expensive cameras,
Photography,
like
yeah.
the ones that Renee's had made. What? You think Renee's gonna watch my Patreon stuff?
I don't know.
I can edit stuff out too.
Overall, I think that was a really good first attempt.
Yeah, I like this one more than I like the barn one. The barn one's a little dark. Like there's like areas here on the side that are almost black,
Yeah.
where on the painting it's not really black, and like this shadows are like kind of in the painting are like really dark blues, and here it's reading as black. This is a little bit closer to black than I would like to, and I think that might be a product of the phone blowing out color, like blowing out the contrast a little bit too much.
Something we'll have to look into.
But I did a thing where I like set the phone on a timer. I kind of exposed it a little more. Really tried to get the edges to line up right. I think the problem could be I took a picture with my warm background of the studio wall with these ones when we had the print thing made. Whereas like when I took pictures of all my plein air stuff the other day, I did it up against that big white canvas, so it had like a white background. And I don't think it was trying to like pull the worms out of the, you know.
Yeah.
Like where these, I think it was trying to pull the worms out of the wall, which might be a good reason to paint my wall easel part like a gray, like a neutral gray. Which I think I might need to do anyway, just because I think it's a little bit, there might be a little bit too much warm going on out there as far as like colors. Everything's casting like this warm glow in there. And then like the lights I have are bright daylight style bulbs.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I like that one though. Like, it's minuscule differences between this and the actual painting. And what I was worried about was having this come out too contrasty and feeling like it's super dark compared to how it actually looks. And in this, you can tell that it looks faded back like I have it in the painting. It's a little dark in here. This is maybe a little darker than the painting. The sky looks almost exactly the same. This color in here looks
That looks
damn
spot
near
on.
spot on. These colors, like these blues, oranges, this blue in the sky and all that, is like exactly the way it is. It's just the darks on that one and the darkest darks of this are
I think
just
at
a
some
little
point
darker than they are in
there's
the painting.
like
But that's why if you
little,
want
it's
the
a
painting
print.
by the original.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
the print can be pretty close. I don't know. I like that one though a lot. And how much was that to get that one made?
Gosh, I don't remember.
That one was more. 'cause
Oh
it's
yeah,
like a
that one was
custom,
like 40 something just in its own.
which is kind of.
But if it would
for-
have come in, like, if you would have painted that in a more, like, printable size, it would have been 20 something.
Well, I think that because I think that's 12 by 24.
Yeah.
The size. The painting's 15 by 30.
Yeah.
The original, but I'm pretty sure that's 12 by 24. Oh yeah, it's written right here. But
Can I
that's
pull-
the original.
Do you see Autumn by your
That's
foot?
18 by 24. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, if it's, I think that's a pretty high quality photo. It's something you're probably gonna put. They're gonna put it in a frame. It's probably gonna be behind glass with a
Yeah.
this style print or a paper print. It's just this is just like a big photo. You'd put it behind glass, and
We're
I
gonna
would
trial and
probably
error,
charge,
but
if it was like $40, I would probably charge like 120 for it, especially if I signed it. But I don't know if I can sign this material.
honey,
So it's trial and error. We're testing it out. We got another run of prints coming.
Yeah.
So
this was MPix.
MPix, yes.